Welcome to the world of crypto trading. If you've ever dreamed of turning your curiosity into profits, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to start trading crypto on Binance, the world's largest and most trusted cryptocurrency exchange. Whether you're aiming to catch the next big Bitcoin pump or just want to test the waters, I've got you covered. We'll break it all down step by step, setting up your Binance account, funding your wallet, and placing your very first trade. And don't worry, even if you're a complete beginner, I'll make sure you can follow along without feeling overwhelmed. By the end of this video, you won't just understand Binance, you'll be ready to take action and make your first crypto trade with confidence. So stick around, because this might just be the start of your journey to financial freedom. Let's discuss about creating an account on Binance. Sign up on Binance. Go to Binance.com or download the Binance app. Click Sign Up and enter your email or phone number. Choose a strong password, then hit Create Account. Binance will send you a verification code. Enter it to complete the initial sign-up. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA for added security. Enable two-factor authentication can choose SMS verification or use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator. This extra step helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Complete KYC verification. To unlock full features, like higher withdrawal limits, you'll need to verify your identity. Go to Profile then Identification and upload a valid ID, passport, driver's license, etc. Binance may also ask for a selfie or facial recognition to confirm your identity. Verification usually takes just a few minutes to a couple of hours. Once verified, your account is ready. You can now deposit funds, explore trading pairs, and dive into the exciting world of crypto trading. Let's discuss about depositing funds. Now that your Binance account is set up, it's time to add funds so you can start trading. Let me walk you through it step by step. Go to your wallet. Log into Binance and click on Wallet in the top menu, then select Fiat and Spot. This is your main account where you'll manage your money and crypto assets. Choose your deposit method. Click Deposit and choose how you want to add funds. Bank transfer. Transfer money directly from your bank account. May take a few hours. Credit, debit card. Instantly buy crypto with your card. Fees might apply. Crypto deposit. If you already own crypto, you can transfer it to your Binance wallet. Just copy your wallet address and send funds from your external crypto wallet. Wait for your funds. Deposits can appear within minutes, but bank transfers may take a few hours depending on your location and bank policies. Let's discuss about understanding the Binance interface. Once your account is funded, it's time to explore the Binance interface. Don't worry, it might look complex at first, but I'll help you navigate the essentials. Key sections to know: markets, see live price charts, and browse different trading pairs, like BTC USDT or ETH BUSD. Trade. This is where the magic happens. You'll place buy and sell orders here. Wallets. Track your assets, check balances, and manage funds. Choosing the right trading mode. For beginners, I recommend starting with basic or classic mode. It offers all the tools you need without the overwhelming complexity of the advanced mode. Understanding order types. When placing a trade, you'll need to choose how you want to buy or sell. Market order. Buy or sell instantly at the current market price. This is great for fast, simple trades. Limit order. Set a specific price you want to buy or sell at. The trade only happens when the market hits your price. This gives you more control but might take longer to execute. Let's discuss about placing your first trade. Now that you understand the Binance interface, it's time for the most exciting part: making your first crypto trade. Let me walk you through it step by step. Choose a trading pair. Go to the Trade tab and select Classic Mode. In the top left corner, you'll see a search bar where you can choose a trading pair. A trading pair shows what you're buying and selling. For example, BTC/USDT, Bitcoin against US dollars. Decide how much to invest. Look at the trading panel. Choose the amount you want to invest. If you're just starting, it's smart to start small and get comfortable. You can enter the amount in USDT or choose a percentage of your available balance, like 25%, 50%, or 100%. Pick the order type. Market order. Buy or sell instantly at the current price. Limit order. Set a price you want to buy or sell at, and Binance will execute the trade once the market reaches that price. Click Buy or Sell. Once everything looks good, hit the Buy or Sell button. Your order executes, and boom, you're officially a crypto trader. Let's discuss about managing your trades. Congratulations, you've placed your first trade. But trading doesn't end once you buy or sell crypto. Managing your trades is crucial to protect your investments and maximize profits. Let's break it down. Track your assets. After placing a trade, you'll want to monitor your holdings. Click on Wallet, then Spot Wallet. Here, you'll see all the cryptocurrencies you own, their current value, and your available balance. You can also view your trade history to track what you've bought and sold. Use stop-loss and take-profit orders. Managing risk is essential in crypto trading because prices can change fast. That's where stop-loss and take-profit orders come in. Stop-loss order. Protect yourself from big losses. Set a price below your purchase price. If the market drops to that level, Binance automatically sells your crypto to limit your loss. Example: you buy Bitcoin at $40,000 and set a stop-loss at $38,000. If the price falls, your Bitcoin sells at $38,000 to cut your losses. Take profit order. Lock in profits when the price hits your target. Binance will automatically sell your crypto at the price you choose, so you don't miss out on gains. Let's discuss about tips and best practices. Before you dive deeper into crypto trading, keep these essential tips in mind to stay safe and make smarter decisions. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto is exciting, but it's also volatile. Prices can skyrocket or crash in minutes. Only invest money you're okay with losing, and avoid risking your savings. Start small and learn as you go. Begin with small amounts to understand the platform and trading mechanics. Use Binance Learn, a free resource packed with tutorials and market insights. Use the Binance app for on-the-go trading. Markets move 24/7, so download the Binance app to track prices, manage trades, and get instant market updates anytime, anywhere. And that's it. You're now ready to start trading on Binance. Remember to take it slow, keep learning, and trade cautiously. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with any questions. I'd love to help you on your crypto journey. See you next time.